There are so many different varieties of Vietnamese desserts, also known as chè, spelled C-H-E. Most of them are vegan and gluten-free. Today I'll be sharing with you my Vietnamese banana tapioca pudding, also known as chè Chuối. I like to use small bananas for this recipe only because they're a lot sweeter. If you can't find small bananas, then you can certainly use regular bananas. In a pot of boiling water, add pandan leaves. Pandan leaves are like the Vietnamese version of vanilla beans. The difference is it gives off a slight coconut flavor as opposed to vanilla flavor. If you can't find pandan leaves, then you can either use pandan extract or worst case scenario, vanilla extract. After soaking the tapioca pearls in water for 20 minutes, drain and rinse with water until the water is clear. After 15 minutes of simmering the pandan leaves in water, you're going to then remove the pandan leaves, squeeze as much water out as possible, and then discard the pandan leaves. Add the sugar-coated bananas that have been sitting in the fridge for 30 minutes, then add your tapioca pearls along with coconut cream. Then immediately mix so that the tapioca doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Prepare your toppings by chopping peanuts, toasted sesame seeds, and adding kosher salt. Once your pudding is ready, pour it out into individual bowls. Add your garnish and then serve it warm, or you can serve it cold.